All right, so I didn't use much time for the intro today because I think today is gonna be about one thing that I'm picking up today, which I'm pretty excited about. Online, this place says it's open at 8 o'clock. Doesn't look like there's anyone inside. Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Have a fun day. Good luck with all the boxes in the back. Oh my goodness, it's so fun. I'm carrying too much stuff with me. I want to open them right now, but I need to get going. All right, what's in those boxes is pure fun. Maybe not for some people. All right, so this is a bizarre test right now. Oh. Okay. So this is a bizarre test right now. I'm testing out two cameras, my trusty G7X and the new DJI OSMO. This one I'm interested in. It'll be interesting to see how this camera plays out in the long run. And I'm interested to see what these two pieces of footage look like. Look, I can share this one around the window. So I'm gonna run you through what I'm doing here in a second. Let's go get a sit down in the studio and I'll explain what's going on here to you. I don't know which camera to look at right now. This one, hi, DJI OSMO. It's kind of like James Bond, G7X. I love this camera. This may not replace it, but it'll be a pretty interesting thing to try and figure out. I may have to go to the camera shop and see if I can do a makeshift something here first. This guy helping me set up my sound.
Absolutely.
I'll show you the oh, it's not really locked on to you, it's me. I'll show you the ridiculous setup that we came up with after this, but it's pretty freaking funny.
It is.
I'm not gonna lie. It looks good though.
But it works beautifully.
All right, everyone, down at the studio and got myself a coffee. And I wanted to introduce you to the thing I've been waiting for a while. You know, I've been vlogging, this is like, I don't know, I've been vlogging for a few months now, and I'm constantly looking for the right gear. Up till now, you know my favorite has been the Canon G7X. It's pretty bomb-proof, it's solid, it does everything I need to do. If you point in the right direction, it usually catches focus, it usually takes care of everything. But in the car and when I'm moving and things like that, it bounces around. I've had a hard time finding a nice, good mount for it that'll take care of all the vibrations and everything. So I've been following this thing and it finally is here. So this is the DJI OSMO, and what it does is it takes the gimbal camera that they use on their drones and puts it onto a selfie stick. You can put any of their cameras on this selfie stick and they'll work, which is pretty fantastic. It even has a little spot to put your phone. Your phone will go right here if you want to use it. You just pair it up by Wi-Fi. That's so fun. If I turn it towards the camera, if I click and hold, no matter what I do, it's gonna still point towards the camera. See how the gimbal's holding it, it's pointing at the camera? If I double click it like this, it centers it looking away from me. If I triple click, it centers it looking at me, which is a pretty awesome thing. It has a 20mm field of view, fixed focus, no zoom, no nothing, but that's totally okay with me. But I did a little test earlier with the sound. I'm recording the sound right now as it stands. The problem with the sound is, if you look really close, the mic is right here. It's this dinky little hole right here, and it picks up the fan noise. Can you hear that? Horrible fan noise, which renders this microphone here completely useless. So I needed to come up with a way to fix that and get better sound. Now the one great thing they do is they give you a plug for like a Rode VideoMic Pro, which I have. I needed a way to get it on here quickly. Joby makes the GorillaPod. They make 3 things that are gonna help you solve this and get you up and running really fast with your VideoMic Pro. So the first is this little cube that just has a 1/4 screw and a whole bunch of areas you can screw onto it. This is the first thing you're gonna need. It's not expensive, it's only a few dollars. You're gonna screw it into the corner here. Now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different directions you can mount stuff. Then you're gonna go get this, and you're gonna screw this into the back of this. So just like this, into the back of the cube. Then they sell this thing, which is meant to put flashes on this. And you're gonna screw that onto here. So watch this. It just slides right onto here like this. And then you just tighten it down. This just plugs into the front here. Ready to go with really good sound. So if you're having problems with your Osmo and you have bad sound, there is your solution. It's gonna cost you 30 bucks and you're gonna have a Rode VideoMic Pro on there that's gonna give you really good sound. That is my solution to good sound for the DJI Osmo. That's it for me for now, guys. As always, remember, go and have fun, get crazy with your sound, get crazy with your gear, go and have a lot of fun shooting. But above everything, remember, love each other and live life to the fullest, because that's what it's all about. So fun.